Na icio nicio njugiririo ciaria mekorire handu-ini hairu iguru ria ungumania ngina gwikora makirugamia mawira. No umuthi wita muthenya wa mbere mutongoria wa bururi akiriria a Kenya thingira-ini wa iregi wa Mombasa kuria Uhuru wa Kenyatta erumite kini na kuuga ndekugwagwa ona hanini na ati no nginya atigirire ni ahingia kiraniro giake hari urui wa ungumania.
I will make no covenants with evildoers, neither will I show mercy to those who rig our markets in order to enrich themselves. As we soldier on in this fight, I today seek the indulgence of our judiciary. And I do so because I strongly believe that no administration in the history of this country has prosecuted corruption cases the way I have done.
Niemu mwaka muhetuku wa 2019 atongoria maigana ona nimekorire handu-ini haceke ngina gwikora makirugamia mawira-ini mao kumana na ungumania. Umwe wa atongoria aria marugamirio mawira-ini ni gavana wa guku Nairobi Mike Sonko.
Governors, senior government officers, procurement officers, I have been on the front line. And since I respect the principle of separation of powers, I have no power of convicting the accused. We have done our part.
Na oho gavana wa Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu onake niekorire handu-ini haceke. Oho mucamanio ungi ni ugutafanitio guku Nairobi na aya ni abunge a Githii makienda gavana James Ongware anyitwo kuona onake netukanitie hari ungumania kuona ona mbia arihaga andu a family yake no ndarihaga andu a wira. Ngikumathira mohoro handu-ini ha Gikuyu na mohoro mukoiko riakwa ni Kariuki wa Wangui.